Hi, this is Gary Coles, and my virtual presentation for the 2021 convention is Psychoneuroimmunology, or PNI for short. Is it the next big thing in mind-body medicine? The presentation is designed to introduce participants to the science of psychoneuroimmunology and examine the research in this area and how it can impact us as hypnotherapists. And I'll be covering the following topics: a short history of psychoneuroimmunology, a description of the components and functions of the immune system, a critical examination of the research in this area relative to hypnosis. And this presentation is best for those who want to understand the potential benefits of psychoneuroimmunology in the field of clinical hypnosis. And I really look forward to sharing my program with you. Thank you very much and see you there.